Mixing subdivisions is a cool thing us musicians do to make us sound clever. A common way you're going to see us drummers mixing subdivisions is in fills, especially from 16th notes to sextuplets, because it sounds cool. Nice. Adds tension, very nice tasting. But here's a snare exercise you can use just to get used to transitioning between the two subdivisions. So first of all, play 16th notes, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Bar of that, you're going to put a bass drum with the first of each four, so the first right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to play a bar of sextuplets. And the foot throughout this whole thing is going to stay the same speed. So now that right foot's going to sync up with the first right of your sextuplet. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And so you have something to kind of stick both timings together because you know the first right of each thing is falling with the kick. So do a bar of 16th notes, bar of sextuplets. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd say a metronome is a non-negotiable on this, otherwise you're going to get some stretchy time as your brain tries to figure out what's going on and make it make sense. So metronome must. Either way, once you got that and it feels a bit more comfortable, try applying it around the kit, see what happens. Magic happens, just FYI. Either way, have a great day. Big love.